Welcome to our channel. If you want to optimize storage on Safari, follow this simple guide to clear cached data, manage downloads, and free up valuable space on your device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, or launch Safari on your Mac. Step 2. On iOS, scroll down and tap on Safari. On Mac, click Safari in the menu bar and select Preferences. Step 3. Look for Clear History and Website Data on iOS, or Privacy tab on Mac, and select the option to clear browsing data. Step 4. Confirm your choice to clear history, cookies, and cached files. This will remove stored website data that takes up storage space. Step 5. On iOS, return to iPhone Settings and go to General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll to find Safari and tap on it. Step 6. Review the website data storage amount and tap Website Data to see specific sites using storage. Step 7. Tap Remove All Website Data to clear all cached website files, or swipe left on individual sites to delete their data selectively. Step 8. On Mac, manage downloads by clicking the Download button in Safari and removing old or unnecessary downloaded files manually from the Downloads folder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.